Menteri Rangba ke Jela Meghalaya Conrad Kongkal Sang Mau Lietho baula IT ke Dorcas Amit Shah berpenpau ke Jing Sokya bagi Meghalaya ke dan kamekaan ke Baklan bat ban perking bhai ke Jingwan Rong Bean ki Brio ke Benabar bat ruman Kanglat ke Jingrong Bean ki Menderi ula kerpat ban penrung no ke Ketian Kasi bat Garo ha ke Kernet ke Bapra jong keriti Sencari ke bade ke Jingdawa ke Bala Saateng la Slembha. Bad ulu kerpat ruban penlong ya kejing ekran bagi jela katan stilam mingi hasya ban peniach kemat ekanu do kejing penkelai ki kendon jong ke 6th schedule. Bad ula banjur badai ban penklan ya kejing ada ya ki rulum bad ikerkom sensyar ke balat luit. Ula keren ru halor ke Meghalaya Residence Safety and Security Act MRSSA bad ke inline permit ki badai ki mat ki bala menjur da ke yang dorbar tawan ke jela ki belong kilat ki bala ban perking ya ke jingrong jingmi latlan jeki brio sya ke jela. Menteri Rangba ke jela ulapen senguru ya ke jing sokya balapen pau de giseng beper ha ke bede ba ke jing penkala ya ke Foreign Contribution Regulation Amendment Bill arhajar arpun rio. Bat pen pau ke jing sokya ni kinhun beper ha Meghalaya halor ki kendon badan ha kenekaan. Kam tam kito ke bede bat ke jing kurup ke jing don jing em ke bali opateng. Ulapen pau bakat to kan ikin huan ke lapen pau ya kejing persya ya kikat to kan ikin don jong kabil kam tam halor ka bor ban kurup ya ginong kenti bar ula kerpat ke sorkar preng bakan ya kran shwa bagi kin huan beper ke beden bentah ka kam shwa ban ai ya kano kajing menjur.
During the visit of the Honorable Home Minister to Shillong for the 73rd preliminary session of the Northeast Council, on behalf of the Government of Meghalaya, I have submitted a memorandum to the Honorable Home Minister. In the memorandum, there were 4 important points that I had mentioned. First was regarding the setting up of a proper mechanism to check illegal immigration into the state. And we have expressed our concerns on this issue and suggested to government that mechanisms like the ILP, for which we have passed a resolution, and mechanisms like the MRSSA could be mechanisms and ways and means in which we would be able to check the illegal immigration, and we have urged the Government of India to look into both these demands that we have made and create a mechanism so that we are able to check the illegal immigration in the state. Number 2, we had urged the Government of India to consider inclusion of Khasi and Garo language in the 8th schedule of the Constitution. This again is a very important demand which we have made for a very long time, and we have passed a resolution in the Assembly. And once again today, we urge the Government of India to include both Khasi and Garo in the 8th schedule of the Constitution of India. The 4th issue we had raised was regarding the amendment to the 6th schedule. We are aware that there is a bill that is pending, and Government of India has been consulting different state governments and different district councils. So we have urged that that amendment should be in consultation with the states, and taking the views of all the states should be pushed through so that necessary amendments can be made to the 6th schedule, which would ultimately benefit the different tribal societies in different parts of the Northeast. And the 4th issue that we had raised in our memorandum that we submitted as a government was regarding the amendments to the FCRA, where you're aware that Government of India is planning to amend the FCRA, and different organizations have raised concerns about those amendments and how it could impact the work that they're doing, including the assets that are there that these different associations and organizations they have. And hence, this was again reiterated in the memorandum that we submitted, and we have received a very positive response from the government, from the Honorable Home Minister, and he has asked us to come to Delhi with a delegation and detailed of all the aspects of what amendments we would like to see or change in the FCRA Amendment Act bill. He has asked us to give it in writing. So these were the 4 points that we have submitted, and as you're aware that the government is continuously following up on all these 4 aspects, and that we are sincerely working towards ensuring that we're able to achieve our goal in being able to resolve all these 4 issues that I've mentioned in the memorandum to the Honorable Home Minister.